Guys, I got something to unbox here with you. I have this packet yesterday, and it's a skincare product I got from Stylevana. I'm going to unbox this with you, and this Stylevana is a company. So let me see. This is my first time getting some products from them. Let's unbox it. Then I will now test it. After testing it, I will come and give you the review of how their product works. So this is what I got from them. Let's unbox and see what is inside it. Oh, look at their name, Stylevana. I think I'm correct. Stylevana. Okay, from Korea. Okay, this is from Korea to you. Find your duty with us. It's from Korea, guys. It's not from US, from Korea. So let's see what we have here. We have here, I'm going to open them one after the other. This is begins. And also I have this here, set 10 in 1. 10 in 1, that's what I have. I'm going to open them and see. This is all clean. pH 55. All clean. Blemish. Okay. This is what I have here again. And I have also here a lot of products from them. And here is Takobo. And I have here again a lot of products and products, a lot of products. Oh, this is the last but not the least. I have here a better jelly mask. Okay, this is like mask. Okay, guys, I'm going to do some review. I will use it on myself, and I will come and tell you what I find I notice, or if it's working well. Guys, you know now, my review used to be authentic. I don't hide my feeling. If it works, I will surely let you know. This is like gel, okay? This is better moisture serum. Okay, this is serum, moisture serum. And this is mask. I know this already. This is mask. It's in 3 pack like this. 3 pack like this. And again, let me see what is here. Let me open this too. I'm going to show you everything so that when I'm making the review, you will know that it's from the Stylevana. Okay, I don't really actually know what this is. Okay, this is fresh vitamin skin prep pad. This is pad. This is the pad. Okay, I have a lot of things from them. This is Tokobo. This Tokobo, what will it be? I don't know, but let's see. Let's see. Tokobo. Oh, looks like a stick. Oh, I said it. Looks like stick. Okay. This is. So guys, I am preparing to go out. I say let me unbox this because I got it yesterday. I said let me quickly unbox this before I can dash out now. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to make a review. When I make a review, I will tell you how it works. So this, I have already opened this before. This is like something to wash, gel to wash face, something like that. Oh, it was sealed. I need to pierce it before it go up. Okay, this is just like a. Okay. Stylevana. This is like a gel It's just like a gel. So, have you used Stylevana before? Have you used it? A company from Korea. I researched them and I saw they are all over social media. And I say, why not? Let me give them a try and see how their products. And the main thing that is their product is not too costly. It's not too costly, but I heard that it's working wonderfully. I can't say until I make the review. So this is a lot of products, guys. A lot of products. So all these things you see me unboxing here, guys, are from them. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. So are from them, guys. So let me pack them back and I'll start today to use them. And after using them, I will let you know what I got. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share. Let me also know if you know have you heard about Stylevana before? Have you used their products? Let me know how it works for you. And don't forget to give me a like and share. Subscribe to my channel. And our channel here, we do a lot of things. We do product review. We do lifestyle. We cook. We promote also. We do review people's products. If you have a product you want us to review, don't forget to send us an email at chichibeke85@yahoo.com. You're going to review your product and let people know about your product. Thank you so much for watching. And I just want to say Stylevana from Korea. Stylevana from Korea. Thank you for the post, for what you send. I received them. Thank you so much. I pray it works. And if it works, people are gonna hear about you more. Bye.